It's interesting, All Stars bringing in a new strong player on board in Soli, and of course their captain Samir Verma. Incredible dupers, have you seen? 5.7 on singles, 4.9 on doubles. So I think they're up for this match, but they're under pressure though. As the Nandi Chargers get started, they're under pressure because they're leading this 3-1. All Stars will have to keep their head around them, nerves and wits around them to see this out.
What an incredible first point there. Sam and Soli throwing everything at the Nandi Chargers, who solid in their defense. Just able to put away that final shot. All right, looks like we have a sub. Nikit Reddy re-enters the court. Sid Reddy subbed out. This match just got even more interesting.
హలో 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 వస్తుందా
Go Chargers!
Nice. ATP. Yeah, I was ready.
Let's go, boys. Come on, Georgia, let's go. Come on, guys. Two breaks. Get 5-1.
One-pointed and easy two breaks.
Check,
Two
check.
breaks.
Mic check. Mic check. Check, check.
Easy one break.
Check, check. Mic check. Mic check. Check, check.
Critical move there by Samir. If All Stars had to have a player on court, it would right now be Samir Verma. What can he do with his serve? Serving 5-10. My bad there, 10-5. Brilliant defense there by Soli, splitting the two. Did Kirti Warriors mess up dropping Soli? And backs that up with his deft touch. You can see that wrist movement from his squash and paddle experience really coming into play. Nandi Chargers get the service back. Nikit ready on serve.
Come on, Niket. Stick to the boring.
6-12 for the Nandi Chargers, inching up again point by point, serving on the first serve. Tries a trick shot, Nikit. He does have that in his arsenal. Did not come out this time though. Second serve serving at 6-12 Nandi Chargers versus All Stars. Soli there finding the net. Inches in it though. 7-12 Nandi Chargers.
Finds the net on that one, Nikit. Serve back with the All Stars. Soli serving 12-7. Can they wrap this up? Rare miss there from the paddle of Samir Verma. Such an experienced player. Net also on the Nandi Chargers team on that specific point.
Keep it simple, guys. Come on.
quick break, and Nandi Chargers are back on serve at 7-12.
Nandi Chargers at 8-12. Every time they are on their serve, they're able to find a point or two, reduce the deficit. Soli taking the chance there of a high net ball, swats it down towards the body of the Nandi Chargers players. Second serve, Nandi Chargers 8-12.
All four players there playing with the finest of margins. Just sending their ball right over the net until Shrikar could put that away. Critical point there for the All-Stars to break that momentum. Nandi Chargers looking dangerous on court.
Deft touch there from the All-Stars, passing it down. And they're still on the first serve. 13-9 now, just 2 points away. They've got two serves. They're 2 points away from seeing this match out. Just as I say it, he served it long there, Soli. Is this a critical mistake for him? They have a second serve here. Captain serving for them. And that return doesn't come through. It's 14-9. 14-9 for the All-Stars. Captain serving. Can they close this match out? This is another critical match for them. And he's placed it cross court. Incredible. Saw the players moving. Passes it down. Incredible victory for them. From a 0-3 deficit this evening, they've made it 2-3, winning 2 matches in a row. Critical match now, the 6th match of the evening